A wise man once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." A quote from Bitcoin's dominance has been exploding, but soon the real winners will be altcoins. Decentralized, scalable, and most importantly, fundamentally strong. We're going to be looking at 7 promising cryptocurrencies that you need to watch coming up.
Hello guys, welcome back again with me with my channel Crypto Viral. Information about cryptocurrency, ICO, trading, airdrop, and bounty program. Okay, right now I want to show you this one project. The name is COBA. What is COBA? This is a new project game action with blockchain technology. This is not a first game with blockchain technology, but this is project COBA is very unique. Maybe you can get reward with battle arena, and with COBA game you can earn money with battle, and so you can try. This is very good for you, and maybe you can join right now and try. Okay, if you not a gamer, maybe do you like a game, and everyone and every people like game, and so moreover game one way to everyone bet more after paying period of doing happy activity of work and never finish, and like change or feeling into fun, and so beautiful with a game. Okay, right now, if you want to more information detail about cryptocurrency, and you can subscribe my channel here. And if you want to more information detail about COBA, right now I want to example you, and let's go to website. Okay guys, this is display website of COBA. You can see here. Right now, this is point of COBA game action. Test your mic into crypto reward battle arena with crypto online battle arena. Right now, you can earn money with battle arena COBA. The first one you can see here. This is a future of COBA project. You can see the 5 future of COBA game action. The name is how to play crypto earning story plus character here, and here news about COBA game, and here developer update about COBA game, and here media gallery COBA game. Okay, now the first one I want to tell you how to play COBA game right now. Okay, this is the very good game. I think all people like this game, and the playing this game. I hope you play right now and try. Maybe you can get adventure with COBA game. Okay, how to play this game? The first one, go to website browser.com and download this version series web 3.0 browser. And the next, this is click from series browser. Here run game, and you can enjoy right now. Okay, the next future, the name is crypto earning of COBA. Okay, I hope you join this very good and very unique project game action. This is the first project with gambling and earning money with game arena battle. Okay, here you can see play to earn, claim your freedom in immersive MOBA style gameplay with real crypto stacking and earning, building your dream in the V2A world. Remember in your skill and mother into profit, support COBA, become top earning and utilize your freedom. The next is Spice. In order to get fight win, you need equal Spice. Spice is the cryptocurrency of the staff store. Spice is used in COBA's payment method. And don't forget to put your Spice with bw.com and probit.com well they still low prints. And the next here a quality dub experience. COBA delivery and excellent quality game experience to the dub industry do an intrusion of net auto control and V2A interface support the Osiris browser. Download Osiris browser 3.0 browser and test out COBA early alpha demo and browser.com. And the next in-game asset ownership. Unique traditional game COBA is a decentralized application that this meant that once a current game asset you can acquire first trade higher low prints and any blockchain based open market. So open book now will make money of the COBA character you buy them and the game pick up momentum. Post hero and squad your early bet entry. Okay, the next future of COBA. This is story COBA. Here you can see story the COBA project with all character. Here in the early year of experience with participant collision refer the public of spot team refer in location Scott cross the only percent where a matter can travel from the point of another. This pin is installed the gates always and the travel speed safety between them spot and dimension always all intelligible war across all galaxy or puzzle to isolate idea and there are include out only person across all possible cursors making the truth only puzzle. And here all civilization across the galaxy now put themselves living a metaverse refer then only parts the refer also give then to hypercubes will physical materials of the intellectual universe balance to compassion for the universal nature of repulsion. Okay, the next future COBA here class COBA battle arena. You can choose one by one of class COBA game. The name is the Ana Hero. This is a career hero, a typical scapity early game stop in order to be hit on stop and game progresses. And the next the name is the Enegable. These are the complete operation of career and excel in the early game thanks to powerful ability. Enable space to be distant alone, keeping their alive in agreement. Whatever the to be drop, healing dharma emotion or stable enemy hero in order from another. Okay, the next class of COBA game, the name is Incinerator. Incinerator, this is a character. Incinerator, character by this hick burst and Staswa Dharmage about output which come from magic Dharmage from ability. The next the name is Basigar. This is hero Basigar hero deck. Basigar Garnoli blessed with third control ability which can be either single target of area of effect enable after make visual with with more than 100 full of then helping long duration stun or disable can be the enemy trim progress. Okay, the next, this is a Vanguard. Vanguard, as the name what the improved forgot hero most game work called and the name is tank. This hero have ability to swap up right amount of damage from any enemy team. Okay, the next class, the name is Coward. Coward hero under the quote the are referred to as the because their bullet execution machine with allow the instant any from trainer. The next, the Monslater. The Monslater hero here this is have ability allow the quick take down stun. The next, the Screamixer. Screamixer hero does have ability start farmer to start the farm on their own. Allow this team to gain spike fun and after going to the high grade treatment. This is a class of COBA game. The next, the name is character. Character of COBA is very unique and so is good design of character. Insert the healer insert come from alternate dimension what concept a reality and powerful what is award from and the powerful battle. The only logo and spec in face and danger is only design and joy is an ability anything and or anyone see now doll before him. Okay, now it's done. I hope you join this project and play this game. Maybe you can get adventure right now with COBA game, and I hope this project is very success and so many people play this game. Okay, see you next time and so you goodbye.